Hi, I'm Paul Huey, the Director of Planning and Bond Management Services, and I'm very excited to bring you this spring 2021 update of our new elementary school campuses that were approved as a part of the community-approved 2019 bond. I'm here at Florence Elementary School, where you can see that we have completed a significant amount of construction. You can see that the interior framing, most of the structural steel, and all the foundation work has been completed. This project is on track to open in time for an August 2021 school start. So here we are at Heritage Elementary School. As you can see, we've made a significant amount of progress as we have at Florence. Here you can see that we've got all the exterior structural steel up. We're starting to get some of the building skin on and some of the interior sheetrock. All the foundation work is complete. And this project too is on track to be completed by August of 2021 for the new school year. I'm also excited to report that we have started construction at Parkview Elementary School and Whitley Road Elementary Schools, the other two schools that were in the bond program to be replaced. And for more information on the bond program and forthcoming updates on those schools, please visit kellerisd.net/bond.